Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Do you want to report someone on Facebook? Then you have come to the right video. I'm going to show you how to report someone on Facebook. First of all, you have to open Facebook app from your mobile device. Now open a Facebook page or profile you want to report. For example, I want to this Facebook page. Click on it. Well, this is the page you are going to report. Click on three dots in front of like button. You can see the report option is available at top of the list. So click on report profile. Now here you have to choose an authentic reason why you are going to report this page or profile. For example, I choose hate speech, the first option. Now you can click on done button to report this page. You have to follow the same way to report a Facebook profile. I'm not going to report this page. I was just showing you how to report someone on Facebook. This is the simple and easy way to report someone on Facebook. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.